Okay, the next elimination problem we're going to do is number 30. So this one down here. Okay, if you notice we have negative 4x minus 7y equals 8 and negative 6x minus 10y equals 10. So this one isn't set up as nice as the last one, which we already had opposite coefficients in front of our x's. But you can actually eliminate either variable. So some little tricks that you want to do. You basically want to realize, okay, sometimes you're going to have to multiply one equation by something. In other words, if the smaller number maybe in front of x goes into the other number in front of x from the other equation, you could get by with, or with y, you could get by with multiplying one equation by something, leaving the other one the same, and then doing that elimination process. In here, if we look at x, we have a 4 and a 6. Well, 4 doesn't go into 6. We look at y, we have 7 and 10. 7 doesn't go into 10. That tells me that I have to multiply each equation by some number, and they're going to be different numbers. Now, here's some little tricks that I use. I see my 4 and 6 are smaller than my 7 and 10, which are in front of y. So I say, okay, 4 and 6. Find a multiple that they go into. It can be the lowest one. It doesn't have to be. Sometimes I just tell kids to multiply the two equations, or the two coefficients together. So if I had 6 times 4, okay, that's 24. So I could make one be, and I want them to be opposite coefficients. So maybe I want the first one to be negative 24x, and I want the second one to be 24x. So what would I multiply this first equation by? I had a negative 4 in front of the x. To get negative 24, well, I'd multiply it by 6. So I'm going to get negative 24. In the second equation, I have negative 6x, and I want to get positive 24x. I'd have to multiply by negative 4. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So we have 6 times my negative 4x is negative 24x. 6 times negative 7y is negative 42y. 6 times 8 on the other side of the equal sign is 48. Down below, we're multiplying by negative 4, so I'm going to distribute that to my whole equation. So I get positive 24x, then negative 4 times negative 10y is positive 40y. And negative 4 times positive 10 on the other side of the equals is negative 40. I am now set up for elimination. Draw my line. My x's eliminate. Okay, I'm going to add negative 42y plus 40y, which is negative 2y. And that equals 48 plus negative 40, which is 8. I divide by negative 2. So y is equal to negative 4. I have to go back and find the other variable. So pick either of the original two equations. I'll pick the first one. Negative 4x minus 7y is equal to 8. I am going to plug my negative 4 in for y. So negative 4x minus 7 times negative 4 equals 8. So negative 4x, this would be minus a negative 28, which turns into plus 28, equals 8. Subtract 28, subtract 28. So negative 4x is equal to 8 minus 28 is negative 20. Divide by negative 4, so I get x is equal to positive 5. Again, we should take these two right here, write them as an ordered pair. So it's 5 first, because that's my x value, and then negative 4.